Do you want to know how you can create an avatar using Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an avatar in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by Wombo Art, and then you can see the plus button. Click on plus and click on avatar. Now you can describe your artistic vision. Let's suppose you want to create this, so tap on the prompt over here, select the image if you want, or else just click create. You can see that you must compulsorily create an image or select an image, so go ahead and click select image and click on a photo, and then go ahead and press next. Click on create. So after the input is given, click create, wait for a while, and then Wombo Dream will create an avatar for you. I hope this video about how you can create an avatar in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.